Looking for speed, style, and sustainability all in one ride? This isn't just a bike, it's your next-level freedom machine. Rated 4.9 stars by happy riders all over the country, this powerful two-wheel electric bike from Bike Club is redefining how adults ride. Strong enough to carry up to 200 kilograms, charges from any household outlet in just 8 to 9 hours. Travel up to 60 kilometers on a single charge. Speed? You're looking at 35 to 45 kilometers per hour. Battery indicator and auto slowdown system for your safety, anti-theft alarm with wireless remote included. Each order comes complete with 1 electric bike, 4 batteries, 1 remote key, 1 front basket, 2 rear view mirrors, everything you need in one sleek package. Whether you're commuting, cruising, or exploring nature, this e-bike handles it all. Compact, sturdy, and stylish, it's your daily ride and weekend adventure partner. Cash on delivery, pay only when it arrives. Free and easy returns. 3-month warranty, extend to 6 months with 5-star feedback. And 5% of every sale goes to the Philippine Environmental Foundation. Ride green, live clean. Follow our store for exclusive coupons and updates. Got questions or product concerns? Our friendly admin is just 1 message away. This is your sign to upgrade your ride. Fast, eco-friendly, and full of power, this e-bike is made for you. Click the link below to order now. Stocks are moving fast, don't miss out.